Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where a Windows update fails and it gives the error code 0x80070543, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. There's only one resolution and it has helped hundreds of users. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command dcomcnfg.exe and click on OK. You may get the UAC prompt. Just click on yes. Okay. Now expand this component services and then expand computers. Okay. Right click on my computer and select properties and then go to default properties. And then in default properties, you'll see an option called default authentication level. Select it at connect and default impersonation level. Select it at identify, click on apply and then okay, I don't need to do it, and then click on OK because I already have these set at connect and identify, but you have to click on apply and then on OK, and then you can click on the cross button to close the panel and then restart your computer. Right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer, and this will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.